What's up guys, it's Royal, and now I'm back with the TRX exercises again. I'm showing you guys how much I love the TRX. It's such a versatile piece of equipment in the gym, and now they have it right here in 24-hour fitness. So I'm gonna be showing you exercises to do for your lower body exercises. Your quads, your hamstrings, your glutes, as well as your hip abductors and hip adductors, all gonna be coming here in this video. And make sure to wait to the end because I'm gonna be giving you another 2 free workouts for you to do for your lower body next time you come into the gym and you have the TRX available. Also, remember, this ebook is gonna have the exercises with the videos, so all you gotta do is click it in my ebook and it's gonna take you right to the exercise, so you won't forget exactly what you're supposed to be doing. Guys, TRX lower body exercises, here we go. All right guys, halfway done with these TRX exercises right here. As you guys can see, I'm sweating right now. So even if you just do these one by one, you're gonna get a super good workout for your lower body. Big key, especially with the TRX, you're using your body weight. So it's a great exercise for beginners. It's a great piece of equipment for beginners. You're using your body weight. It's not any added resistance onto your body. You can really get your heart rate up. Right now I'm breathing super hard just doing these exercises for you guys. So make sure when you do these TRX exercises, one, you do them exactly how I'm doing them, please, to help protect yourself. Make sure you stay nice and safe while you're doing all these exercises. And also, make sure you have fun, dude. Make sure you have fun. If you're having fun while you're doing these exercises, you're gonna enjoy exercising, you're gonna enjoy working out, because remember, this is all a lifestyle change. You're gonna take care of your body for the rest of your life. Might as well start now and enjoy doing it. All right, right back to the exercises. Thank you so much for watching my TRX lower body exercise that I just gave you guys. Again, I'm gonna make sure that I link some of the other TRX videos that I've done right up above, so you guys can go and check those out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember, down below, the link below is gonna make sure that you guys get those 2 free workouts. Then I'm gonna be giving you exercises that I just did with some of these TRX exercises as well. I'm gonna also link a lot of the other ebooks that I have down below for you guys, so you guys can make sure that you're living the healthiest and the fittest lifestyle you possibly can, because it is going to help with your quality of life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.